In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the memory could not be written error. The first step is you want to come here and you want to search for Control Panel. Now click on System and Security, go to System, and in here, if you're on Windows 10, you want to click Advanced System Settings on the right side. If you're on Windows 11, it will be around the middle somewhere. You want to open up Advanced System Settings, click on Advanced, and go to Settings. Then from in here, go to Advanced again, and you should have something called Virtual Memory. What you want to do is press Change, untick this box, select the main hard drive, which is your C drive usually, then do Custom Size. In here, you want to do Initial Size, which will be your recommended one. Now mine is 2934, but yours is probably a different number. So just type your recommended in here. Your maximum size is going to be this number, something bigger than this number. So the minimum would be 9217. You just have to type any number bigger than this one. So I'll just type 9300 in this case. Then what you would do is press Set and press OK and restart your PC. After that, it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.